Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. This short video regarding creating or deleting LinkedIn profile in different languages. Creating LinkedIn profile in different languages is a good way to connect globally if you are doing global work. However, be careful if you don't speak or read in other languages. Sometimes this can be backfire because the other LinkedIn member wants to engage in their native language. So today I will tell you how you can add different languages in your LinkedIn profile. And now you can see that this is my English profile, and now this is my Arabic profile. And if you want to add more languages, you just need to click on this global sign. And if you want to add more languages, just click on add profile in another languages. And here you need to select your language. For example, I'm just selecting here the German. You just need to write your first name in German, last name in German, and headline, and just click on create your profile. In this way you can make your profile in different languages. And if you want to delete your another languages, you need to click on global sign and just click on cross. And now in this way you can remove your another language. So I want to show how looks like. And now you can see that this is my English profile, English language profile, and this is my Arabic language profile. And now you can see that. And if you want to delete this, then just click on global sign and just click on cross. And now you can see that this is my only profile in English language. And again, I am repeating this: if you want to add more languages, just click on add profile in different languages. In another language, just click here and select here the languages according to your requirement, and write here your first name, second name, and description. And then in this way you can add your second language. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching video. Bye bye.